Alright, so I made a lot of mistakes while making the two products I've made in the last 1 year, and I just wanted to come over here and I want to tell you guys about the things that I did that you can possibly fix, that you can possibly not do, and then fast track and also help you succeed. I'm not going to say that these are the only mistakes that you will make once again, but these are the ones that I made and I'm continuing and I'm still making them. I actively know that I'm making them. The ones that I've learned from and the ones that I won't do again, I'm going to be telling you guys all about them. So the first one is rushing it but not rushing it, and it comes in a sense where in my first startup I rushed it too much, and in my second product I didn't at all. The reason is, in the first one I actually built it in something called as nights and weekends by Buildspace. It was basically a 6-week program where you had to ideate, plan, create, launch, market your entire product under 6 weeks. It was a really good initiative by Buildspace, but in that process I actually started making my product, but I rushed it too much because I didn't do one critical step known as idea validation. I didn't validate my idea before rushing into the MVP. The pace of making the MVP was also slow, mainly because I didn't know how to code. I was learning and coding at the same time, but I didn't even see if people wanted VStart. The VStart's website is there online. If you want to check it out, you can go, even though there's no use. But after all, it turned out to be a mess. Turned out that the idea wasn't good enough. And in the case of MindFlow, a mistake that I did is I just was very slow. I talked to a lot of students. They were like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. But I just was very slow while making it. So yeah, that's one of the things. It took me a lot of months. It's going to be around 5-6 months. Actually, no, 3-4 months. Actually 6-7 months since I've been making MindFlow, and the pace has been really slow. I really want to kick things up now, want to make it fast, and that's the thing. The second mistake that I did is I didn't want to build, but I also didn't want to delegate. The thing is that your MVP is your actual thing, right? No matter what you say. And in my case, I didn't want to build it because I wanted to focus on growth a lot more than creating the actual product. In this case, you have two options. Either you build it yourself or you delegate it to someone who can. Either give it to someone who has these abilities and has those skill sets, or you make it yourself. And in my case, I didn't want to delegate it to anyone because it meant giving them money or equity, which I was really selfish about. Or it was just not building it. I didn't want to build it myself. And so I came into this concept of building it half-baked. I didn't want to do it. At the same time, I had to do it. And that's why it came out as a bad project. The third mistake that I did is that once I went into the technical aspect of it, I was into it. And I mean, like, I was thinking about which is the best tech stack to use, which is the best database, how to do state management, all of those fancy niche stuff. But my objective initially was to create an MVP, something that works. It's going to be your objective too, to just create the goddamn MVP. And you don't have to focus up on those niche things. This is a problem that I'm actively trying to solve. I just go into the niche parts of it and I just try to fix it all, optimize it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to make. I'm going to make sure that I do this in the future, where I don't focus in on the small stuff. But yeah, you're going to see me fix those mistakes in my upcoming projects that are going to come soon. And you're going to see a new person who's not going to make the same mistakes. So yeah, I hope you stick along and I hope you download MindFlow. It's free. It's a Chrome extension that 10x's your productivity instantly. And you can just go and download it from the Chrome Web Store. So yeah, go download it, check it out, help me out. And yeah, like and comment. Thank you so much. Yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.